If you're searching for Meccha Chameleon Android download or Meccha Chameleon Mobile, watch this first. The truth is simple. Meccha Chameleon is not available on Android or mobile. The game was released exclusively for PC on Steam on June 9, 2026 and was developed by lemorion 1224. So, what about the apps on the Play Store? They're not the official game. Most are fake clones that use the game's name to attract downloads. Many are music, packed with ads, and some may even request unnecessary permissions that could put your data and privacy at risk. If you're wondering, Meccha Chameleon, Android real or fake, the answer is clear. There is currently no official Android version. Don't waste your data downloading fake apps. Wait for an official announcement from the developer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more gaming updates and scam alerts. See you in the next video.